Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to fix Venmo transfer failed 2026. Here are the common reasons and fixes. Common reasons. Insufficient funds. Your account does not have enough balance to complete the transfer. Incorrect recipient details. Wrong username, phone number, or email can cause the transfer to fail. Unverified account. Not completing identity verification may restrict transactions. Internet or app issues. Weak connection or app glitches can interrupt the transfer process. Bank or card issues. Expired, inactive, or unsupported linked bank card can lead to failure. Transaction limits exceeded. Daily or weekly limits may have been reached. Security restrictions. Suspicious activity may trigger a block on the transfer. Fix. Check your available balance. Verify recipient details again. Complete account verification. Ensure a stable internet connection. Update or restart the app. Check and update bank, card details. Review transaction limits. Wait and try again later. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.